Hello friends, in yesterday's video we have discussed about what is science. Today we will discuss what is physics. Now let us discuss about some examples. Now aeroplane is flying. Now what is the law behind this? The law of the physics. Sky is blue. The sky is blue due to the very beautiful concept of physics, that is scattering. Alarm bell is ringing, and what is emitting? That is, the sound is emitting, sound is propagating. That is a branch of physics, that is acoustics. Astronauts are going to the space. This is due to the law of physics that rockets are going to the space. During fracture, we undergo X-rays. Now X-rays, the origin is physics, because X-rays are fast moving electrons. Again, the law is physics. In case of serious problems, we undergo the MRI. Again, the physics. When we move, there is law of physics. Which law? Friction. If there is no friction, then we will not be able to move. It means physics is everywhere. Physics is everywhere. Physics in space, physics in universe, physics in our galaxies, physics in nature, physics in mathematics, physics in biology, physics in chemistry. There are so many applications of physics. Now basically, physics word is originated from Greek word that is physis, means nature. So physics is the study of nature and natural phenomena. There are many branches of physics, that is mechanics, electrodynamics, energy, thermodynamics, sound, optics, relativity, nuclear physics, particle physics, quantum physics, and there are so many other branches of physics. So my dear friends, today I have tried to discuss about the basics of physics and try to discuss about that physics is everywhere. Physics is in mathematics, chemistry, biology. Physics is in our daily life. Please try to search these examples in our daily life and comment in the comment section. Thank you.